What y'all cooking?
I'm making some jambalaya.
Jambalaya from scratch. It's not the box. It's not
We're
the
not
box
doing that box
jambalaya, man.
shit.
It's from scratch. Rice from scratch. Everything from scratch. Sausage. Got the shrimp. Shrimp and chicken. And she got the chicken cracking right here. She crazy. It's the best one, man. So I'm gonna try and the jambalaya fire, huh?
DC rocking with it. Shout out to DC, y'all. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the chat.
Huh?
What is everybody doing?
Who's gonna play outside that?
I'll
Yes,
play
look,
downstairs.
this is my favorite season. I love this season.
I've been waiting.
She said if you ain't sneezing, it ain't season.
Wait,